There's 2 levels to get down. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Woo! Ow. Oh, no, we're safe. Yes, we are. Now, you need to get down level 2, the biggest. But why do we have to go on a train to your surprise place? Because that's fun. Here we go. Uh-oh. Whee! And that's how they died.